What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's Charlie, and I just wanted to come on real quick and tell y'all about the stupid thing I just did today. Okay, so as y'all can see, I'm in a new setting. I'm back at school, and I just got a new camera, and I have a tripod, and I wanted to film my after Christmas try on haul for you guys because I got a lot of stuff, and all of my shopping wasn't after Christmas, and I got a lot of cute stuff on sale. So I wanted to show y'all because I've never done a haul, let alone a try on haul before. And I left the freaking head to my tripod at home on my other camera, and what use is it to me if it's not even here? So yeah, don't know what I'm about to do, but I'm about to make it work. So stay tuned for this after Christmas try on haul. What's up, y'all? It's Charlie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a what I got after Christmas try on haul. I've never done a try on haul on my channel. I'm super excited and I can't wait to bring y'all many more. Let's get right into it. The first things I got are from Aeropostale. I know what you finna say. Nobody wears Aeropostale no more, and I know. But if you've been there lately, you know Aeropostale has really come up a lot. They have a lot of cute stuff, and then they also have a lot of sales because I guess they're trying to get that clientele back. Because remember, maybe in 2008, 2009, maybe 2010, Aeropostale was really hot. Everybody had the Aeropostale polos, everybody had the Aeropostale t-shirts that said Aeropostale across the chest, the color skinny jeans. Aeropostale was popping, but then I guess everybody got tired of it, you know. Style changes and evolves. Nobody really wanted Aeropostale anymore. But now they revamped their entire look. When I went and got the items that I'm about to show y'all now, I literally had to go to 2 different Aeropostales to get the full set so it would actually fit me. I got these sweatsuits. I got one this color, which is a grayish, blackish, bluish. And then I got this one, which is pink. Yeah, it's just pink. The sweatsuits were actually $15 each, so I paid maybe $30 total for the sweatsuits, $32, $33 total for the sweatsuits. This one reminds me of the one from 101 when they were trying to run for cutest couple. It's the exact same color, except theirs had a zipper like this one. Theirs was like this, but it was this color. So this one is a sweatsuit, or not a sweatsuit, I'm sorry, a crop top, not a crop top. Oh, I can't even talk. This one is a crew neck style. It's not cropped or anything. It fits really, really cute. It kind of looks like pajamas, like dressy, bougie pajamas, but I wore them out, I don't care. The only part that's not velour is the wrist part. It's actually cotton. And then the bottoms have a cute, you know, the cute little bottoms, basic bottoms, except the bottom, like the actual bottoms, is cropped or cinched. I don't know what to call it. But it's like that, and it's super duper cute, and it goes all the way down to the ankle. And then this one is also velour, velour or whatever. This one actually flares at the bottom. It's long, super stretchy. I got an extra small, and I'm an extra small in most cases, but I could have went with the small, but in this case I just got the extra small because it didn't have a small. I barely found the extra small. I found the top to the extra small way across the store. I guess somebody was trying to hide it, but they ain't do a good job. It has a zipper on it. The zipper is really good quality. I love this the aglet, the details on it. And then it's cropped, so the top stops maybe here. So you have a little bit of your stomach out. It's kind of old school, but it's actually really cute. Then I went to this store called Q. I don't know if y'all ever heard of it. It's a real small store. I've only ever seen it in the mall closest to my house. I've never seen it in any other mall in any other city that I've ever been to. I love their jeans. They're kind of like a Fashion Nova, in my opinion. They have really, really trendy things for really cheap, and the quality is okay for the price you pay. Like, of course, the quality is not going to be great if it's not that expensive, but the quality is good enough. So I got these jeans, these cello, or yeah, I guess they're called cello jeans. And then in a size 3, it just says designed in Los Angeles, and I paid $20 for them. They're distressed. I really love ripped jeans. I can't remember the last time I wore a pair of jeans that weren't ripped. They're distressed here, and then they're distressed, mainly distressed at the ankle, and that's kind of what I wanted. I wanted a jean that was really distressed at the ankle. I love jeans that, ooh, this one's kind of flipped. I love jeans that have unfinished seams at the bottom, so I'll probably cut this off. They're not super stretchy, but the denim is really thick and the denim is really good quality. Yeah, this is what I got from Q. Their website is Shop Fashion Q, and I'll put the link in the description. Now I'm going to show you guys what I got from H&M. I got this on New Year's Eve. This is actually what I wore on New Year's. I left the tag on it, but this actually was not on sale. And neither were the other pants, but oh well. So this is the cute little shirt I got. It's super cute. My favorite part about this shirt is not only the checkered detailing on the side that go great with checkered Vans. I know everybody has checkered Vans. I don't know if you can tell, but see, yeah. The arm is kind of wide and flared, and it's super cute. It's a super cute detail, so yeah, I love it. And then it just says Superior Motors. Also from H&M, I got these cute leather pants. These are super hard to get on, but they're so cute. So I guess that's the con of it. It's so hard to get on, but once you get them on, they're super duper comfortable. They're stretchy and they feel really good. There's no drawstring or anything. It's kind of just like an elastic band on the waist. I got mine in a size 4, which is surprising because I'm usually a size 2 and it was $24.99. Of course, the leather is not real, but it's really good quality. I love the details, especially here. I don't know if you can see, but there's like a seam here. The seam, like the stitching is really nice. And how it's kind of like a seam mid-leg is really cute to me. And the last thing that I got from H&M was this skirt. I actually wore this with the yellow shirt on New Year's Eve. I think I'm gonna insert a picture or like a little Snapchat, but this is the skirt I got and it's super good quality. It's in a size 4. So look at these studs. The studs are my favorite part. It's super cute. It's a nice detail for a denim skirt. It's not too short, so it's not like a Hoochie Mama short skirt. And it's really sturdy denim. Like, I really like it. I paid $30 for it, so I'm really happy that the quality is good. Then I went to Forever 21 and I got, ooh, I don't know how to show this dress. I don't know how it's supposed to look, but I got this really cute velour silkish dress. It's floor length, so it's super duper long and it's so cute. The detail is great. I'm really scared to wash this though because it doesn't feel that sturdy, like the quality isn't that great, but it's Forever 21, so you know, you get what you pay for in Forever 21. And I paid $15 for this and it was originally $20, so I got $5 off. The last thing I got from Forever 21, or one thing I got from Forever 21 is this jacket. I wore this jacket in my one of my vlogs, not the last vlog, but the vlog before that, and I love it so much, y'all. It was only $20. $24, and I think it was originally 50 something. So yeah, I love it. If I can find a link to it, I will link it. I'm gonna try to link everything down in the description box, so go ahead and check it out. I wore this like 20-degree weather and it was so warm. It kept me warm all day. And it has these cute little pockets, thick pockets, and the pockets are actually wool lined too. This is like kind of the best, like one of the best things I've ever gotten from Forever 21, and I've been shopping there for forever, y'all. But then one of my favorite details is the hood. The hood unzips, y'all. So you don't want to wear the hood, you can just flip it down like so and wear it, and this is how it looks in the back, and it's just super cute. I just thought that was a really cute touch. The last bag of items I'm going to show you guys came from Dillard's. Every year they have an annual sale on the 1st, and the way the sale works is they'll mark down items, and then whatever the price is on the sticker, like a little pink sticker, they mark that, so you get that 50% off. So they already mark it down like maybe 25%, and then you get from that 25% off, you get another 50% off. So I got a lot of stuff super cheap. I got me a bunch of heels. These are the heels that I got. I wore these today to church. They were $45, and they were 50% off. If I can link them, I will. But these are Steve Madden. All of the heels that I got were Steve Madden, and I felt like Steve Madden was doing the damn thing. I love them, and they lace. They're kind of hard to put on and off, but they are pretty comfortable and they're good quality. I love Steve Madden. You know those trend of clear boots? They're kind of a spin-off on that and the trend of lace-up boots, so it's kind of in between. It's really good quality. I don't think that the leather is real, but it is soft. So it is some soft leather, okay? You know, for $20 you can't really beat that. So yeah, I'm in love. I love them so much. The next pair of shoes I got is a pair of nude kind of lace-up wraparound heels. They're like faux lace-up because they don't really lace up or wrap around. They have a zipper in the back, but they're also Steve Madden. These are in a size 8, and I usually wear size 7.5, but y'all, I'm not gonna lie, my big toe is pretty big, so yeah, I can wear like a 7.5 or 8 in heels. They marked these down from $99 to $34, and then I got 50% off of that. So these are like patent leather, I believe. I think patent leather is the shiny one, but super shiny, super good quality. Like I said, they're Steve Madden. Steve Madden been doing the damn thing. Yeah, these are the shoes. Another pair of heels I got from guess who? Steve Madden. Are these black heels. These are in a size, I believe these are a 7. Yeah, these are a 7. And they have these long strings to wrap you that you can wrap up your leg. And look how long. So I know these will go up to like up my knee, like maybe to my thigh. And then my favorite detail is this cute little metal thingy-majigger aglet type thing, and it's like rope. This part, the toe part is suede, and the back and the heel is suede, but the actual wrap-up part is rope, and you can't actually wrap it up, so it's kind of like the way it fits. It's just gonna have to be the way it fits because it doesn't slide up, which is good, so the shoes won't come unlaced and I won't lose the string or anything. So it might be kind of hard to put on, but I do appreciate that much. These were originally $129, and then they marked them down to $45. Wait, yeah, to $45.99, and then they were another 50% off. So yeah, these right here are my favorite. So they're from Steve Madden again, but they're so pretty. They're kind of like, they remind me of like Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I love the purple. These are silk or satin. They were originally, dang, there's no price on here. Yeah, there is actually. These were originally $149. Wait, $150, and then marked it down to $52.49, and then I got it half off. So yeah, these are in a size 7.5. I'm just obsessed. Like, I just wish I could understand. So it does have a zipper on the side, so you don't only have to rely on the laces. The zipper on the side is really nice. Kind of hard to zip up. These not remind you of Donnie Depp's outfit from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Super duper cute. These are from William Rast or William Rost. Oh, these are like Justin. This is Justin Timberlake's brand. I didn't even know that. They're not distressed yet because they're brand new, but they have like this little distressed area on the knee. And the reason I bought them was for the high-low bottoms. They're really, really good quality. They're, oh my God, they're so soft, and they're stretchy. Yeah, they're actually stretchy. These are in the size 28. I'm not sure what that equates to in US sizes, but they were originally $89.50. Then they marked them down to $53.70, and then I got that another 70% off. And then, oh, it's so cute. The little tag says bringing sexy back up, because you know Justin Timberlake has it. I'm bringing sexy back. And then it says sculpting technology, superior stretch, ultimate recovery and uplifting. And I guess they're talking about the booty, so that's probably why they said bringing sexy back up. They look kind of big, like they look like they'd be big on me, but the waist, I feel like the waist would fit my waist nicely. And if not, I'm just gonna have to go get it tailored, because none of my pants ever fit my waist, so I really won't be that upset if the waist doesn't fit me. But yeah, they're super cute. I love them so much. I also got this cute little wrap up shirt. It's super duper cute. I guess it wraps around, it's supposed to wrap around like your belly area, and I'm obsessed with it. I love the color. This cute, this really pretty lilac color, and the material is super duper stretchy. It's an extra small. It was originally $29, and then they marked it down to $17.40, and then I got it 50% off of that. This is it. And then last but not least, I got me this cute sweatshirt. I can't even read. That's satin or silk at the bottom. It has this, like, you know, these pockets. It's really good quality. This is also GB or Jimmy B. I wish I knew what this brand was called. But yeah, this one was originally $49.99, and then, wait, yeah, so $50, and then they marked it down to $29.40, and then I got it 50% off of that. And my favorite little detail is the bottom, how it has this, these laces or strings, and you can tie them tighter. So I'm pretty sure I could tie them tighter like this and have it pulled up some. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so that's all I have for this haul. It's not that big, like it's not a huge haul, but I really like the pieces I got, and I can't wait to wear them this new year. Like I said, this is my first try on haul, so don't judge me, and if I need to make any improvements or there's any video that you guys would like to see, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. Also tell me what your favorite piece was, and tell me your favorite pair of shoes, because I love these. Like, these heels are so cute. All I got was heels. Y'all, I never wear heels. New year, new me, I guess, because I never ever wear heels, but we're gonna try it this year. I actually wore some today, and I didn't take them off at church, so yeah, I'm super happy about that. Go ahead and add me on all social media. I'll leave my social media here. Share the link with your friends, your mama, your daddy, your bobbleheaded granny, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Happy New Year. I never said it in my other video, but Happy New Year, guys. And I hope you have a blessed day.
Metro, trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.